Hey, Bruce Naylor, Frugal Tech here. We're looking at a brand new mouse on the market, and it's the Logitech MX Vertical Mouse. This is going to replace this, my MX Master mouse. I'll tell you why. A couple years ago, I had carpal tunnel syndrome. Very painful, very expensive surgery, about $5,000, maybe more than that to get it done. Had insurance, still had to pay some money out of pocket. Doctor thought possibly because of using a mouse day in and day out. Not very ergonomic the way we do it. Most of us hold our mouse like this, which means we're putting that wrist in a strain. Do it day in, day out, year in, year out. You're going to have problems. You don't want that. Logitech comes up with this MX Vertical Mouse. The whole thing has got a 57-degree angle. So instead of holding your wrist like this, it's going to put it more in a natural handshake position. It's ergonomic. This is a working mouse. This is a mouse you're going to want to use every single day. Can you game on it? Sure, why not? It's not really designed as a gaming mouse, but it can get the job done. So this is my unboxing first look. I'm going to use it for a while. I'll come back and tell you how it's doing for me. Let's take a look at the box. Advanced ergonomic mouse, part of the Ergo series. Go to the side here. Got 3 different ways you can connect on this thing, either through USB, through the unifying receiver, or through Bluetooth. Works with Windows 7, 8, Mac OS 10. All the usual suspects on that. It's supposed to reduce strain by 10%. Natural handshake to prevent tiring of your wrist, twisting of your wrist, etc. 4,000 DPI sensor on here, so it's not a super high performance mouse, but it's designed to save that wrist, and this would be something you'd probably want to use every single day. So let's go ahead, open the box, take a look at the packaging right in here. Here we go. Present the mouse right up front on here. Let's see how we open this up here. And we're going to go ahead and kind of zoom out a little bit. Might be a little bit close. Here we go. Got a couple pieces of plastic, not a problem. We'll just tape, not plastic, tape, right? All right. It's light. Weighs 4.76 ounces. All right. Here we go, taking it out of the box. First thing we got here is a package from Logitech. See what's in the package. Come on. Paperwork, don't need that. Oops. Boy, that's light. Here we go. How about that? USB Type-C cable. They're getting with it to a standard USB connector on there. There you go. So you got that. It's a nice rubber. Doesn't feel real cheap. Now, let's get the mouse out. All right. Boom, got it out of the box. More packing material. There's the mouse. Right there. I'm going to zoom in on that. There we go. And then we have a unifying receiver. Got a number of these. It's really packed in there. There we go, just popped it out. Start of the show right here. I'm going to move this box out of the way. Just take a look how your hand fits right on that. That is extremely, extremely comfortable. You can charge it. In 1 minute, you can get 3 hours of runtime on it. It's designed on a full charge to run about 4 months. This is a nice rubber surface on here. This button right up here, that's your cursor speed switch. It's supposed to make you 4 times more efficient with the mouse. Forward, backwards buttons. Take a look at the bottom. There's your on and off switch. And then you've got this button here. Allows it to work with up to 3 different computers, just whichever one you connected to. Maybe you got your laptop on number 1, your desktop on number 2, etc. It's got that. Nice rubber bottom. It's going to take a little getting used to. I can tell you right now. Let me zoom back out. There we go. That's really going to be comfortable. I can just day in, day out. That's going to be super comfortable. Connect via Bluetooth. Pair up 3 devices. 10% less wrist strain on there. It's very, very light. There's your charging port right there. It's kind of a nice, it's not really a dark black. It's more of a deep charcoal gray color, I suppose. And a kind of a nice metallic look on the front. It's plastic, but it kind of feels metallic. There's your left mouse button, right mouse button, middle click wheel, scroll, the basics. Designed to save your wrist. That's what it's designed to do. It's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but I think it's going to be really, really nice. See how my wrist is doing with this? Not like that. Much more natural position. $99 on Amazon. Got my affiliate link to Amazon down below if you're interested. This is a workhorse mouse. This is something designed for you to use every single day. It's premium quality. Same people brought you the MX Master Mouse. Look at the difference between the two. Right? This is 3.9 inches high, 3.11 inches wide. Okay, 3.11 inches wide, and it is 4.72 inches in depth. 57-degree angle on here. Supposed to be 4 times less hand movement. We're going to find out. I'm going to get this all hooked up, do a little bit more thorough review later on after I have a chance to use it. I've been waiting for a mouse just like this. Now, it's different than a trackball. Don't like trackballs. Put, hey, Bruce, why don't you put a trackball in the comments. Don't want a trackball. Don't care for trackballs. This is the kind of design that I've been looking for. Designed, obviously, for a right-handed person. If you're left-handed, you're out of luck. The way it goes. I'm actually a lefty, but I've learned over the years to use my right hand. Just a nice feeling mouse. Not nearly as heavy as the MX mouse. Probably, I'd say this weighs twice as much. The MX Master probably weighs twice as much as this mouse right here. Can't wait to get set up, get using it with my desktop machine, my daily machine, the one I do all my work on. I can see where this would also be really handy for editing video too. This is probably going to feel a little bit more precise. I want to try out the cursor speed switch. Just exactly what I've been looking for, and I suspect a number of you have been looking for. Unifying receiver, USB charging cable, some paperwork. That's what you get in the box. Thanks a lot for checking this out. Bruce Naylor. Till the next one.